Hey everybody, what's going on? So just introducing a new season of the channel as well as a few rules for the boondocking challenge that I'm currently on. So I am doing a little bit of a contest. Whoever can guess the closest to the actual time that I'm able to be off the grid will win a $50 Visa gift card, an Off Grid Skoolie shirt, as well as the Skoolie Manual that will be coming up. So that is the guessing part. A second winner will win a shirt as well as the manual, and that will be a random entry. So the goal of this is to have two winners. One winner will be the one who gets the closest, whoever guesses the closest to the amount of time I was able to be off the grid, and also a winner that was just a person who signed up through the email list and they were randomly chosen to win the second place prize. There will also be bonus entries for the second place position. So if you share on Facebook, if you share on Instagram, if you share on Twitter, you get 4 bonus entries for that second spot. I know this particular contest, I'm not 100% off the grid, but you know, I do have some rules for the first one. For the second one, when I do this again, you know, I'm gonna set it up to where I'm gonna go out to a remote location, park the bus in one spot. Hopefully by then I'll have a tow car and I can drive the tow car back and forth to go do whatever, but the bus itself will be 100% off the grid. Obviously if I'm on the road system here, I am on the grid. So basically the way I'm doing it now is I'm not bringing on any key components, and that is no food, no water, and I can't bring on any other electricity. So I actually have some of the rules here that went out into the mailing list. So the contest will be officially over when I use any outside supplies that were not on the bus when the challenge first started. Also, no use of facilities outside the bus, no laundromat, showers, bathrooms. I cannot accept food from others, however, I can prepare food for others, and I have done that. Thankfully, I have more food here than I'm going to have of fuel and water, so I have plenty of food in here. Now, here are some of the things that I can do. I can dispose of waste. I can take on supplies that are emergencies that are for business. So for example, one of the main things I've been doing here in Arizona is filming for Tiny Home Tours. That is the main business that I am running right now. My gimbal's starting to die on me, and I can't let this off-grid challenge interfere with any income. So I ordered a new gimbal. So it's gonna be more, you know, pieces like that that aren't necessarily tied to food, water, or energy. So overall, this first contest is just a general break-in trip, just keep myself regulated to the bus. So far, things have been going very, very well in terms of how much money I've spent and how the bus has been meeting all of my needs on the road. It's been amazing to be able to take this, as you saw in the previous video, be able to take this bus out in the middle of nowhere and be able to film, generate income, and then have a place to sleep, has all my food, a place to shower. This is what I've been dreaming of for, you know, a decade now. So it's fantastic to actually get this first setup, this first test in. So just to summarize everything, to sign up, the link down below, you'll have to sign up through that, and then comment down below as well on how long you think I'll be able to last off the grid in the bus. And also there'll be a second place winner who will also win just as a random drawing out of the entries, and you get bonus entries if you share it on social. Not only will it help you out, it'll also help out the channel and everything I'm trying to do in this bus. So this is the official start of season 2 of the Off Grid Skoolie, and here we go.